In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep photos on your Google account in just 5 minutes. By the end of this guide, you will be able to securely store and organize your precious memories with just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, open your Google browser. It's important to use the same Google account where you wish to store your photos to keep things streamlined and easy. Once you're in your browser, look to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the Google Apps icon, which looks like a grid of 9 small squares. Go ahead and click on it. This icon gives you access to all the handy tools and services Google has to offer, and it will soon become your gateway to accessing Google Photos. After clicking the Google Apps icon, a drop-down menu will appear, displaying various Google services. Navigate through this menu and find the Photos application. Click on it. Google Photos is Google's cloud-based service that allows you to store all your pictures and videos securely and access them from any device at any time. Inside Google Photos, to add new photos, your next step is to find and click on the plus icon. You will usually find this icon in the upper corner of the interface. This icon allows you to add content to Google Photos, such as new files, albums, collages, and more. Upon clicking the plus icon, you'll see a list of options. From this list, select Import Photos. This option will help you upload photos from your computer or other devices directly into Google Photos. Once you've chosen to import photos, a file upload window will pop up. Use this window to navigate through your computer's file system and select the photos you wish to upload. You can select multiple files at once by holding the Control or Command key, depending on your operating system. Once you've made your selections, click Open or Upload to start the process. Your chosen photos will now begin uploading to your Google account, ensuring they're safely stored in the cloud. Now that your photos are safely uploaded, let's get organized. Google Photos makes it simple to categorize your images by creating albums. To do this, look for the Albums section inside Google Photos and click on it. Here you're offered the option to Create Album, which is a handy feature to keep all your events, trips, or special occasions neatly sorted. After clicking Create Album, simply add the photos you've uploaded. You can name the album for easy reference in the future. By following these straightforward steps, you've now successfully uploaded and organized your photos on your Google account. This method not only ensures your memories are secure, but also provides easy access anytime you need them. Thanks for watching and enjoy organizing your digital photo library.